Bold text in WhatsApp can help emphasize important words or phrases in your messages. To bold the text, you simply need to use a special formatting technique within the app. Start by typing the word or phrase that you want to highlight. Then add an asterisk before and after the text. For example, if you want to bold the word hello, you would type hello, you would type asterisk, hello, asterisk. I'll put it in the description. When you send the message, WhatsApp will automatically format it in bold. So this formatting method works on both mobile app and WhatsApp web. So keep in mind that the asterisks themselves won't appear in the messages. Only the text between them will appear bolded. So you can use this technique with any text that you send, whether in a one-on-one chat or in a group conversation. All right. Now, if you want to bold multiple words or an entire sentence, just enclose the whole section with asterisks. And you can also combine bold with other formatting options like italics or strikethroughs by using appropriate symbols in a similar manner. So this simple text format can make your messages more visually appealing and help emphasize key points for a clearer communication.